Okay, we're here in Centennial, Colorado on a bee swarm that was in an evergreen tree, and Matthew's just placed our box so the bees can go into the box. They are beginning to fan at the front door on the table, and we've placed it so they can walk right in and see their queen. On the other side of the box, Matthew's placed a evergreen bough so that the girls don't want to go into that side. But they are starting to cling to the evergreen bough. And they'll figure out that the queen's back on the other side. And this process takes several hours, probably more towards sunset. And you can see those little girls right up there on their table doing their magic number. Right, sweetie?
That's right.
Matthew's securing the box in case of a wind. You never know, in Colorado we might have some wind.